From N5 to JLPT N4, this is lesson number 40. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, らしい, which means it seems that. らしい means it seems that, probably, based on information you saw or heard. Key idea is this. You have some information but you are not 100% sure, so you say probably. This is the grammar format. Use plain form verbs, adjectives or nouns and then add らしい. But do not use the with na-adjectives and nouns. So for example, if you like to say, it seems that she is a doctor, you can say like this. 彼女は医者らしい. Noun plus らしい. You don't need the in between. Or another example. It seems that this is very useful. これはとても便利らしい. 便利 is not adjective, therefore 便利らしい. You don't need the in between those two. Now I will show you two more examples. It seems that he overslept this morning. 彼は今朝寝坊したらしい. Oversleep is 寝坊する. So use the plain form verb and then add らしい. If you want to make the sentence more formal, you can add this at the end. Another one. It seems she got into an accident while heading to work. 仕事に向かっている時に事故に遭ったらしい. To get into an accident is 事故に遭う. 事故 means an accident. 遭う is a verb. So use the plain form verb and then add らしい. Now I like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. It seems smoking is not allowed here. ここは禁煙らしい. 禁煙 is a noun meaning smoking is prohibited. 禁煙 is a noun, so use this noun and then add らしい. Next one. It seems an apartment building will be built in front of the station. 駅の前にマンションができるらしい. Noun ができる in this context means something is made, completed. Therefore, in this context, an apartment building will be built. You can use ができる grammar format. Therefore, マンションができるらしい means it seems a new apartment building will be made. And in English, mansion means a very big house. But in Japanese, mansion means a large modern apartment. Last one. It seems a branch broke because of the typhoon. 台風で枝が折れたらしい. 折れる means to break by itself. It is used when something breaks naturally by itself. So therefore, you can use this verb 折れる in this context. Now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. ここは禁煙らしい. 駅の前にマンションができるらしい. 台風で枝が折れたらしい. Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう. I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね. Bye bye.